Morning, men. Happy Thursday. Friday Eve, sorry. Friday Eve. Can fucking taste the creamy fucking pints already. Won't be long now, I'm off the antibiotics. Could have a cheeky few this weekend, couldn't I? Only a few, mind. Only a few. I'm at the age now where a hangover is like a fucking terminal disease. You don't want one. Anyway, we're not there yet. We're not there yet, boys. So let's work safe, home safe, and we'll keep dreaming about hot women and cold beer. And knowing my luck, slow fucking horses. You have a good one, lads. Good luck. God bless all of you. Apart from you, Keir Starmer.